Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss about second way of defining the variable. Syntax for defining the second way of defining the variable is like data type followed by variable name followed by assigning a operator followed by variable value. In this syntax, in place of data type, we can pass any data type like basic data type or compound data type. Basic data type means we can pass like string, integer, double, and boolean. Compound data type means list, map, set, like that. We can pass any data type. Again, variable name means you can pass any identifier. For variable name, I can pass any identifier. Equal to is assigning operator. And variable value is we can pass any letter. Say here any literal means we can pass examples of any data type. Like it may be basic data type or it may be compound data type. Let us see the implementation part of this type of syntax. For that, first example is like that string hero. Some hero name is like Chiru. This example, exactly what happened is this hero is a variable name and Chiru is its constant value, variable value. When I observe this particular example, I can divide this particular total definition into two parts. The part which is left side to the assigning operator, I can call as declaration part. The part which is right side to the assigning operator, I can call as initialization part. In this example, what happened is I am providing some data type at the time of declaration itself. So we pass some initial value after the declaration. So the data type which I pass at the time of declaration, same value I have to pass at the time of initialization. You understand this point, I think. Here I pass hero variable type as string at the time of declaration. So when I passing some initial value, I have to pass string type of value itself only. Next important point is like, suppose if I try to mutate this particular variable, I replace this particular chiru with nag. For understanding purpose, just I try to print this particular variable like this before and after the mutating. So if I try to run this code, here exactly what happened is, because I provide some initial value to hero, I am able to see Chiru here. In the hero variable, it stores Chiru till line number 25. In line number 26, I just try to mutate the Chiru with nag. From line number 27 onwards, hero stores nag in place of Chiru. For suppose if I try to provide some other data type value like 10 here. In this situation, what happen is already my compiler decides the variable type as string here. So when I try to pass other than the string value, it will throw error to me. Let us see few more examples related to this type of syntax. Int like movies count 20. In this example, I provide int data type at the time of declaration itself. So my compiler understands this particular movie count stores only integer type of data. Let us see one more example of type double. Otherwise, movie duration 2.5 hours. In this example, at the time of declaration itself, I pass double as data type. Based on this, dot compiler understands this particular movie duration stores only double type of data itself. Let us see one more example of type boolean is release, which takes some boolean value like this. From this example, at the time of declaration, I pass bool as the data type. So from this, my compiler understands this particular is release variable should store only boolean type of data. Like this, we can pass compound data types also. These four are examples for basic data types. Suppose if I want to pass list, I can pass list like this. MOVIES movies equals to, let's take few examples as like A as one movie, B as another movie, and C as another movie. Like we can take nap also here, hero details. Like this. By observing these examples, the phenomenon of understanding the variable type based on the data type which we pass at the time of declaration is called as type annotation. We can split the definition into two parts in this type of syntax. Let us see. I try to split this total definition into two parts. The first part is like called as declaration part. Second part is like initialization. In next video, we are going to discuss about string data type.